So, minor problem. I thought I'd just videotape this when I was pulling the pulley off, and the little mess I got into before I put it back on, but apparently I can't find my video. So anyway, the pulley would not come off the pulley puller. It was set very, very hard. So I have this little tiny press. Oh, hang on. Motor's running. Gas is off. So I have this little tiny press. 2.5 ton. I don't know what it is. But I had to rig up these little plates to underneath it instead of the normal plates I use. Plus I had to drop it down some. And it moved. I gotta pick my mess up. How do you like my messy bench? So this is the unit I took off. And you can see that that seal has failed horribly. So this will go. I gotta check to make sure there's not a core in that. Apparently they're getting hard to find for Power Stroke 7.3s around here. So I will not throw that box away. We'll put it right there and we'll save it, and when I go by I'll check to make sure that that's what's going on. So it's on, and that cured the chirp and the squeaking and the wobbling pulley. The pulley's nice and straight now. So it was a good catch by Jordan, listening to his truck when he's running it and noticing something was wrong with it. Okay, and there's my phone right on cue. Have a good night.